100%. And there's no, I mean, I can't even think. They're not even like bonehead plays or turnovers that didn't end up in the net. Like you're just not seeing them anymore. And he's still contributing the same way offensively. He's still making great passes. He's creative. He's getting the puck out of his own end. He's still running the power play. I would love to see him use his shot more, but that's a different subject. He was fantastic, and there's not even, some guys when they're streaky like that, and the turnovers can be as crazy as they were like in the first two games, or just the defensive play is like you might kind of get some better defense, but you're still walking a thin line, and it's like it's going to happen eventually. Maybe it just didn't cost you. I don't see anything. I just see he's playing smart. He's playing hard. He's aggressive when the pucks come to him. He's not going for big loops or just ending up in weird positions like he was before. He's there all the time, and he's winning battles, and he's moving pucks out. And you combine that with his offensive ability. There's your number one D-man.